The keyword accession video. Here we will learn how we can implement keyword accession methods like HRank and DRank on different data sets, like 12 data sets. So you can see on your screen there are like cs.uf.fy mobc/newspaper. So this is like a newspaper data set for the keyword accession. So there are in different languages like English data set and Finnish data set, and their sources and topics are discussed also already there. You can see the Indian Express and the number of web pages like 330, Macworld 220, say, so Guardian 421, University of Herald 300. So their topics are businesses, cities, entertainment, news, politics, art, culture, sports, health, lifestyle, trending words, so on. And English datasets we have Cox Plus, Cotilias, Raw Coffee, Talo, Sanomat, Urhelu, Usisomi. So let's check one of the dataset, English dataset. So you can download as a zip file. There are like 4 different English datasets. Like if you can click here, it will start downloading the zip file. I already have, so you don't, if you want to do, you can download yourself. So once, let me check, and let's wait for the downloading, and I will dataset. Let's check Indian Express. So we have articles, around 330 articles. What I did is I rename all of those articles. Let's check one article. So we have tags.txt. This includes URL of the web page and and ground truth of the keywords. Ground truth keywords. Ground truth keywords are the keywords, original keywords assigned by the author. So these are the original keywords, and this is like a URL. So this is like index.html. So once you click it, this will opens the static web page for the website. This is not dynamic. This is not going to change. So this remains the same. So for that, I have made online keyword accession for you for easier purposes. I made you can see 12 data sets. So you can see on URL. So you will find all of those datasets. And within these datasets, I just download all the original datasets and put them in zero indexing, starting all of the datasets from 0 to, for example, 200, 300, for example, whatsoever the number of web pages available. So if you go inside 0, you will find index.html, and then once you click here, Herald, then you say, for example, url.txt, you will find, sorry, 0 here, for example, and url.txt. So you will find the URL of the first page. And once you change from here, for example, 1, you will find 1. Same way, you will find GT, ground truth, for all of those words. And also you find HTML, everything, HTML.txt. Yeah. So all of those data sets are available. I will provide you the link of this, and you can access them online as well. So you can also download them or you can access them online. Both of them are options. Download the data set using Herald. So first of all, we need to import URL lib.request. I have set the baseline for the dataset from my website cs.uf/himmat webrank, and there are 12 datasets. So let's begin with defining URL and reading the URL for the URL and also for the ground truth keywords. So first of all, we need to read the dataset URL. So for that, we need to define function called URL read URL, and we need the URL as an input, and then we use a with open URL lib.request.url open, and we need to input as a URL and as f as a acronym, and we need to return f.read, and we need to decode to UTF-8 and sigma in order to read it better, and strip spaces between both of the sides. I need to also define new function, define load herald case. So index, we need different indexing. For in herald, there are 300 web pages, so we need go through all of those web pages as an index. So for base, we already defined the base. And base equals to base slash index, because the data set you already saw is basically in the 0, in the 1, 2, so it index replaces base slash 1, 0, 2 likewise. And URL text equals to read URL, base URL text, one URL we need to, and we just call this function read URL, and we provide first URL base slash URL.txt. I already showed you earlier URL.txt, and for ground truth text we need to read URL slash same way base ground truth txt. And we need to also ground truth tokens, we need to separate the GT text into tokens for grounded text that is spelled, and then need to return the URL text and ground truth tokens. Okay. Okay. Um, let's check and call this function. So we need to make it like range for I in range 300. So we have total number of web pages is like 300 web pages. And then we can say URL text equals to and tokens equals to load herald function that we already defined, and we provide stri as an index. So I is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me show you first I here, print I. So I would be 0 to 300. Yes, 219. So index will be replaced by these numbers. For this, we need to test only 3. So we will go through this with 3 of them, and URL text and URL GT for I. And let's check what we have. We can say print IN. So let's check. So we have I equals to 0 and ground truth for this URL ground I equals to 0, 1, and so on. And we can also check URL text. So we have all those URLs. So if we can say 300 goes all the way. Now, next thing you need to go is you have already ground truth keywords. and you need to now derank keywords equals to or hrank any function that you already have implemented. So you need them list here, for example, by calling the function, by passing the URLs from this input, for example, URL and URL, you get the keywords, and then you have ground truth and GT and the hrank or drank keywords. So now need to compare both values. You remember drank, we implemented it. You remember this program. So we had all the steps and we just print top 10 keywords. So what I did is I just combine all those programs and just into a big program, drank, get top keywords. It takes URL and returns you the top 10 keywords. So let's check one example here. So we can say URL bbc.com, and now we have keywords. Goes to here and print. So we will have top 10 keywords for the web page. So we need to call this complete program in our evaluation program here. So what I did, I'm using this Jupyter Lab. So for that, I need to run I-derank IPYNB. So if you're using locally, you can also use import derank as D, and you can apply both of the methods, and then you call this function, big giant function, d.get top keywords URL. So we have this big function we need to call in another program. You remember this program, this function we are calling in evaluation program. So we are calling here. So you need to define d.get. So I don't need to, because I'm working locally here. So I use this method iRunwa. So I need to get top keywords, and I provide the URL from the previous this URL text that we already get from the Herald. So that way we get the derank keywords and ground truth keywords. Let's print both of them, ground truth and sorry. Yeah, you can see we have a zero. So this is zero is like a D-rank keyword or H-rank keywords, and zero, this one is a ground truth. And one is for first web page for same H-rank. And so you remember the other video that we already had this hard evaluation. Now you need to call these functions hard evaluations. You watch another YouTube video with a hard evaluation, and you get where you define precision recall and F score. So we have precision recall and everything defined here. So for example, this is like a, keywords, and these are the ground truth GT, and these are the extracted keyword example. So we have to implement like precision recall and total sum, and we see the precision recall and F score, and averages are like 0.7261. So you watch with that video, you got both now keywords. So you need to apply this hard evaluation, and I need the results from average, precision, and for all of those web pages. I think this will make your life easier for the project first. Thank you for watching. And now total web pages are 300 for each. So for IN range total web pages, so we define three variables: precision recall, F score from the previous program that we discussed already. We got ground truth keywords. We can name them ground truth keywords here. Maybe it's better word. And we can write not URL text only. You can say URL maybe. the better. And we can say URL here also in order to get that. Now, now we need these functions, get, precision, recall, fs score from the previous video we just discussed. So we need to call both of those functions and make score round, and we call them here. Already copy paste the program. So we have brf as local variable, and we call this function. I just already told you this one here, and we write ground truth keywords and derank keywords. Okay, both of them here, and get tokens, not tokens, but ground truth keywords. Okay. GT keywords and okay. Now let's check example with 300s are quite too many. So let's check with the two of them at the moment, and then we just call the average precision. We call this complete function make a score round, and we just add them together, and then we call them here. And let's check what values we get with three values only. Two values only because total number of web pages are two. So we have each precision recall, and we just try to add them together. We have a page ground truth, and then we have keywords versus keywords. These are the two keyword list, derank and ground truth. And we have this precision 0.7 and recall. So here top, let's see what words are matching. We have wrestling here in D-rank. We have united here and united as well. So 0.7 is quite high, quite good. And same way we have second page, and on average we got 0.10 precision and 17. So let's check total precision recall and FS score. We don't need to print them all here. So let's check all of 300 keywords and then see the average precision and recall. We have to wait because 300 takes lots of time.